Namaskar. Hello students. I am Ejaz Sheikh from KK Works Arts, Commerce Science, Computer Science College, Kaka Sahib Nagar. Let us see the SYBSC's FYBSC's Computer Science Electronics Paper First, Chapter 4th, Power Supply, with the help of reference book Electronic Devices and Circuits by an author T.L. Floyd. Now, first of all, what is power supply? Power supply converts the alternating current to the direct current, mainly convert 110 to 240 AC volt into DC voltage. There are three types of power supply: linear power supply, switch mode power supply, that is SMPS, and uninterrupted power supply, that is UPS. And the power supply SMPS stands for switch mode power supply. This receives 230 AC mains voltage and translate it into a DC voltage such as -5, +5, -12, +12 according to the requirement of user. Linear power supply. The linear power supply transformer is used to convert the voltage. The transformer voltage converts line AC voltage to the smaller peak voltage. The rectifier AC signal produces a large waveforms. The capacitor filter is used to filter the rectified wave, which contains a small pulses, ripples, depends on requirements. Regulator must adjust the output voltage. Then a good line and good regulations lower output voltage ripples. Figure shows the block diagram of a regulator power supply or linear power supply, which consists mainly four blocks, which are a transformer, a rectifier, filter, and regulator. Operation. The power supply used the computers are switch mode power supply. The primary power receives from the AC mains is rectified and filtered as a high voltage DC voltage. Now SMPS. SMPS means switch mode power supply. Switch mode. The electronics power supply with switching regulator. The power SMPS stands for the switch mode power supply. This receives 230 volt AC mains voltage and translate it into a DC voltage levels of level +5, -5, +12, -12, or up to +20, -20 DC voltage. It is a switch to high frequency approximately 10 to 100 kHz by the bipolar transistor and fed to the primary sides of the step down transformer. It uses a feedback mechanism. Figure shows the block diagram of SMPS, which includes the input rectifier and filter, then inverter, also called choppers, then output transformer, then output rectifier and filters, in feedback with a chopper control, which produces a DC output voltage. Let us see the working of SMPS. SMPS converts AC voltage to DC voltage with rectifier, which is unregulated DC voltage, send it to filter. The inverter converts DC to AC with the help of power oscillator. The output transformer inverts the AC voltage up to down the required output levels. The output rectifiers and filters. AC output from the transformer is rectified. For a low voltage, use a silicon or Schottky diodes, use and smoothing the rectifier's output by using filters. This reduces the amount of voltage passed through the transformer, so the output voltage will be maintained normally. Then it sends to the output of the power supply. A sample of this power output is sent back as a feedback signal for a regulation. The next is uninterrupted power supply, UPS. Figure shows the block diagram of UPS, and UPS provide a backup power supply when there is no power or power failure from the AC mains. So we can use UPS in two mode operations, online UPS and offline UPS. Here the figure shows the online UPS. Thank you very much to listening me and watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.